Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, here to do a bit of an unboxing and review of the Camduck security camera. So it's kind of, here it is here on their website. You know, you're looking at $100 and it's American, and this is kind of like a little, we'll call it a nanny cam. Because the way it works, and we'll look at the manual in a second there, is this looks like any other sort of plug-in you would plug into your wall outlet, but what you don't maybe not know is that there's a camera, and you can sort of see it in that light. You can see that there's a camera lens right there. So interesting that you put it in there, and then that's going to use the software out of Camduck for you to view it. On the back here there is a compartment for you to put your SD card in. So I'm going to give that a try. Now the downside obviously is that this, for whatever ethical reasons you want to use a nanny cam, for sure, but it's got to plug into an outlet, and outlets typically are low down to the ground. So I've got to plug it low, and that's going to get people's ankles. Anything higher up obviously might be a little trickier. I'm thinking of a you can do kitchens, you can do countertops like that, potentially bathrooms, but hey, you never put a camera in the bathroom. Anyways, I'm going to play around with it and let you know what I think. If you have any questions, shoot away.